If you don't have good risk analysis, there is no system that will save you, including mine.
Hi Joe, it's a pleasure to meet here in person. So you're well known as the godfather of Fibonacci. So can you tell us what's your trading style?
Well, I'm known as a godfather of Fibonacci analysis, but actually my expertise is in leading indicators. So what I try to do is everything I do, I get out in front of the market. And Fibonacci analysis, DiNapoli levels, which is a subset of Fibonacci analysis, those are leading indicators. But also we have oscillator predictor, MACD predictor, and certain patterns. The whole point is to get out in front of the market.
Okay, so when we go to the trading forums, one of the most popular topic is about the Holy Grail. So in your mind, is there a Holy Grail in trading?
Obviously, DiNapoli levels.
Okay.
There is no Holy Grail in trading.
All right.
You can get close to a very good approach, a very good system, but there's no such thing in perfection in trading. There's things happen all the time that are unexpected.
All right. So this topic gonna stay forever, but no answer to it.
Correct.
All right. So one of the most important things in trading is risk management.
Absolutely.
So how do you deal with risk, and what's your risk tolerance?
Well, it seems like when I get old, now that I'm older, my risk tolerance is somewhat less. But I have put myself in fairly high risk positions in the past, and I'm sure I will again in the future. There's two aspects to risk analysis. One is sizing. Sizing is absolutely critical. You have to know how much to put on a trade. The other part of that is diversification. One needs to consider diversification as being extremely important. The third aspect is a background fundamental analysis. For example, right now the world's in a lot of trouble, and so I'm much more cautious than I would normally be. So those three aspects of risk analysis are very, very important, very critical. But risk analysis is every bit as important as a good trading approach. DiNapoli levels, leading indicators. If you don't have good risk analysis, there is no system that will save you, including mine.
Yeah, that's the most important thing in trading.
It is one of the most important things. You have to have a good approach, and you must have good risk analysis.
Okay. Yeah.
Both.
All right. So from your nearly or more or less 40 years of trading experience,
50.
Oh, 50 now. Okay. So can you share what is the most important thing you learned from it?
Well, there's a couple of things. This is not an easy game. There are easier ways to make money. But this is about lifestyle. Trading, to be good at trading, this is about having a tremendous lifestyle. Travel. If you want to do things, you can shut down your computer. You can go places. You don't have to worry about 50 employees. So that part of it's really good. The other thing is quite difficult. People seem to think that they can get involved in trading and study some technical analysis for 3 or 4 months and become multimillionaires. No, that's not correct. Another aspect is that we've already discussed this. You have to have the risk analysis, the risk considerations. This isn't about gambling. If you want to gamble, you go to Macau. If you want to make money in trading, you have to be conservative.
Okay, so the last but not least is about broker services. I bet you have dealt with a lot of brokers, right?
Absolutely.
So our company EBC just got awarded by World Finance for the best execution and also the best FX trading platform. We believe that provide better trading environment is important to traders to help them to success. So besides that, what kind of service do you think is important from from a broker to provide to traders to help them to like improve their trading.
You know, this is actually an excellent question. I have accounts across the board, a lot of people, okay? And there's some brokers that are like your firm. They excellent execution, excellent access to markets. That's one thing. The other thing that I require, that I always look for, is ease of use. You know, I'm not a young man. I'm not 30 years old. I'm not a programmer.
Right.
You know, when I go onto a website and it takes me a half an hour to get a statement, I am pissed off.
Headache.
It's terrible.
Yeah.
You know, I go, what am I going through this misery for? I want a statement. This isn't difficult. I can't find the word statement anywhere. So I think very important for me, although I do have some affiliations with brokers that don't have very good websites, but I think it's quite important to not only have the good execution side, but also for somebody older that didn't grow up with computers to be able to access things quickly and easily, to be able to transfer money in and out quickly and
Straight
easily.
to the point.
Yes.
Okay.
And easy to find, easy to locate.
All right.
Not some, you know, for a Westerner, we're not close-sighted. To find size 2 font way up in the corner, you know, we can't find it. So
All right.
we need something that's easy to use.
Yes. Okay. So it's a pleasure to meet you here, and thank you for the interview today.
Pleasure's all mine. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Joe.